If your washing machine is unbalanced, creating sounds and excessive vibrations, here are a few tips to resolve the issue. First, make sure the washer is properly level. Using a level, make sure the washer is level from front to back and side to side. In the event that the washer is not level, adjust the leveling legs on the bottom of the machine. For a more detailed leveling video and other common setup improvements, go to our W-Service YouTube channel. Once legs are properly adjusted, make sure to check your machine with a level after adjusting to confirm your unit is level. Next, check that the clothes are uniformly distributed in the basket at the start of the wash. For best performance, load items by dropping them in loose heaps evenly around the basket wall. Do not lay items lengthwise. Large items such as blankets, towels, and rugs can shift to one side of the basket during spin cycles and create an unbalanced load. Pause the unit, evenly redistribute the items inside the basket before restarting the cycle. Items such as sheets and blankets can get tangled during wash and cause an unbalanced basket. To help keep the load balanced, try mixing different load items to prevent tangling. So that's it. We hope this video helped. If you still need assistance or further details about this issue, please visit our branded websites where you can find product help information and supplemental video content.